And voting is underway for Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation polls after a high decibel campaign. A total of 8.9% voter turnout has been recorded till 11 a.m. Several bigwigs like Minister of State for Home G. Kishan Reddy, KT Ramarao and Asaduddin Owaisi cast their votes. Kishan Reddy and KTR were amongst the first to cast their votes. Owaisi in fact came in a motorcycle to cast his vote. Chiranjeevi also was amongst the first to vote. The polling is taking place through ballot paper due to COVID curbs, and it's going to end at 6 p.m. this evening. The results are going to be declared on 4th of December. It is a triangular contest between TRS, BJP, AIMIM. In 2016 elections, the TRS had won 99 seats, AIMIM bagged 44, BJP won only 4 seats. However, this time, BJP did fierce campaign to establish itself as a rising force in the state.
ఓటు వేసేవారికి మాత్రమే తర్వాత నిలదీసే హక్కు ఉంటుంది, ప్రశ్నించే హక్కు ఉంటుంది. దయచేసి ఓటింగ్కి రండి, పాల్గొని హైదరాబాద్ నగర అభివృద్ధికి, హైదరాబాద్ ఏ రకమైన ప్రజా ఆలోచించి ఓటేయండి చెప్తే అందరూ కూడా దయచేసి ఓటింగ్ పాల్గొనాలని.
Especially the youth should come out in large numbers. Adequate arrangements have been made by the State Election Commission regarding social distancing, and I hope each and every voter will come out and exercise the right to vote till 6 p.m. and I hope that this polling percentage would be much better, more than what it was 5 years ago or more than even the last parliament election.
सबसे बड़ा अधिकार है इस व्यवस्था में चेंज लाने के लिए वोट देने का अधिकार, जो ऑर्डिनरी व्यक्ति से भारत के महामहिम राष्ट्रपति तक एक ही अधिकार है. इसलिए मैं सब लोगों से, आप सरकार ठीक नहीं काम कर रहे, ये आपका इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ठीक नहीं काम कर रहे, ऐसा आप क्रिटिसाइज करते हुए घर में नहीं बैठना चाहिए. आप बाहर आके आपका अधिकार उपयोग करके सभी लोग जो वोटिंग में पार्टिसिपेट होना चाहिए.
Ashish Pandey joins us live with the latest on this. Ashish, if you could just walk our viewers through what the voting percentage really looks like till 11 a.m. this morning, and also how you saw the BJP making such an effort to upset the hold that the ruling TRS has over Hyderabad as well. At the moment, what's the sentiment that you're picking up?
So, Chati, we are at one of the polling station at Raj Bhavan Road. It's a prime location of Hyderabad, and here you can see voters are coming and they are exercising their franchise. If we talk about the polling percentage till 11 a.m., the polling percentage under Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation was recorded 8.90%. So almost 9% polling was recorded up to 11 a.m. this morning. If we talk about pre-polling phase, we witnessed a heavy electioneering by all three political party, major three political party, including BJP, TRS, the ruling party, and MIM, the friendly party of Telangana Rashtra Samiti. But this time all these three parties, they contested election alone. BJP particularly they campaigned very on high decibel, and several senior leaders, several top leaders of central leadership of Bharatiya Janata Party, they came in Hyderabad. They campaigned for the party candidate, including Bharatiya Janata Party National President JP Nadda, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Smriti Irani, Prakash Javadekar, Tejasvi Surya. So all these BJP leaders campaigned for the party here in Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation election. When we talk about the ruling Telangana Rashtra Samiti, the main star campaigner was Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao. He addressed a mega public rally at LBS Stadium on very last a day before. On 28th, in fact, on 28th November, but his son and Municipal Administration Minister KT Ramarao was handling campaigning. He was doing extensive road shows. Chief Minister's daughter and MLC party, MLC K. Kavita, also was holding several road shows and padal dauras across GHMC divisions. So yes, all these three political parties, including Asaduddin Owaisi, the Hyderabad MP and MIM chief, he also addressed several rallies. in fact, I was speaking to Asaduddin Owaisi, and he said that in 1 week time he traveled almost 800 kilometers within Hyderabad limit on bike. So he was riding bike, he was addressing several rallies throughout the day, and he himself accepted that in 1 week time he traveled almost 800 kilometers within the city riding bikes. So all these three political parties extensively campaigned, and now everything is in voters.
All right, Ashish, we're going to leave it at that. Thanks for getting our viewers up to speed with the very latest.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.